So, good evening. In this August month lecture video series, we are going to see the topic checklist, and this is one of the easiest topic in English. Why it is so in the sense, so I just started with some simple questions. So, how many of you are having the habit of keeping a to-do list? Might be in a diary or else in a small notebook. You used to mention what you are supposed to do, or else something you can connect it for a plan for the day. So these are all my agenda today to complete, or else these are all the program I'm supposed to complete today, and what are all the works I have been completed so far as per the schedule. And if suppose if you are not completed certain things in the sense, so those things can be mentioned in the to-do list. So the checklist is also known as a to-do list. So a checklist can be defined as a systematic approach which has been helped an individual to maintain a record of things what we have done or not. So where you can use this checklist in the sense, so checklist can be used in all sorts of our day-to-day activities. So we'll see those things elaborately in the upcoming slides. So before that, we'll see this topic with the help of 5 stages of DT approach to learn checklist. So definition. So why should we use checklist? So already we have discussed to organize the task for the easy flow, and the types. So project checklist, safety checklist, so many forms of checklist are there. And the format, so the format connects with the structure and design. So title of the checklist and the task to be carried out and the completed task, and for segregating elements from one another, we are supposed to use check mark for items what items have been completed, and the end mark for the things what we haven't done so far. And the applications of checklist in the sense academic assignments, daily routines, event planning. And the benefits in the sense, when you are maintaining a proper checklist, this thing will increase your productivity, and you can utilize your time in an efficient way. So and it earns much of our focus and attention. So what is a checklist? So as I told earlier, it's a structured list that ensures all items or steps thoroughly addressed, promoting organization and efficiently. And next thing is that steps to form a checklist. So what are all the things we are supposed to plan in the sense? So start with the B form of verbs. To write a checklist, you have to go with the easy verb forms such as do, have. These are all the verbs will be much better than others. And especially checklist is asking yourself for getting more clarity about the things. So for instance, just imagine a situation, I'm going to attend an interview at Bangalore. So to attend an interview at Bangalore, I'm preparing a checklist. So what are all the things I'm supposed to plan it? So first thing that, so when is my interview? Should I book my ticket in a train or bus or else airplane and all? And afterwards, do I have a contact of any of my friends over there? If so, if I do, I have the do I inform them about my interview? And then then did I arrange my accommodation part? Like that I have to plan it in advance. So these are all the things can be mentioned in your answer also. So maximum the topics related with English connects with the day-to-day activities. So the only part you are supposed to remember is that format of writing an answer, along with that content that must be much related to the asked question alone. And for every sentence, use a question mark and provide yes or no box to mark your answer more preferable. So in this way, you can make a great checklist. And benefits of using checklists. So as we seen this earlier, productivity, time management, mental, that means low stress level, and task prioritization, progress tracking, and error prevention. So when you have a to-do list in your hands, you can easily achieve all those points which I have been mentioned here, and enhancing productivity with the checklist. So if you are a student, or else if you are academic professional, or else you are working for a call center, whatever it is, do maintain a checklist to carry out your task without any pending. So surely you can learn the habit in a better way in future times. Thank you all.